So that was the exact step-by-step process on how you can make $500 per day on Instagram without posting anything. So welcome back to the channel guys, and in this video I will share with you two methods to make money on Instagram without posting anything. Okay, so now the first method, and after that later in this video I will also share with you how to go from $500 a day to $1,000 per day. Okay, so now the first method is of us. We are going to simply start selling the service. Even if you don't know anything, still you can start selling them service. Okay, so the first step over here is we are going to find someone who is having between 10,000 to a million followers. So for that we are simply going to hop onto Instagram and we are simply going to search for anything. For example, as you can see, I'm on the explore page. So now I am going to search for anything. For example, like I'm going to search for motivation. Okay, let's see which one comes. So let's just pick the motivational quotes over here, and as you can see there are a ton of pictures coming up. So our goal is to find the accounts between 10,000 to a million followers. Okay, so this account is having 2,000 likes, so probably this is going to be having a ton of followers as well. And also check out let's see this one as well. Okay, this one is having 2,700 likes, and we can really find a lot of followers on this account as well. Okay, so now the first one that we picked over here was vision of success. Okay, so as you can see this account is having over 283,000 followers. So our step one is completed. Okay, we have found an account over here which is having between 10,000 to a million followers. So now we are done with the step one. Now it's time to go with the step two. We are going to find someone who you can actually serve, to whom we can actually serve something. Okay, so as you can see this account is not even having a link, so this is going to be a pretty good fit for a method too. Okay, so we are going to talk about this later. So let's also see another one, minds of entrepreneurs. So as you can see having 255,000 followers, this one is also pretty good. Okay, so now let's see where this link is going to come up over here. So this link is probably of Amazon over here, and as you can see he's just selling a book, and he's having a referral link over here as well. So that means he is doing kind of affiliate marketing. So this can be a really good fit for us. We are going to serve him. Okay, so as you can see we are with step 2. Okay, so the step 2 is also completed. Now the step 3, if you can serve them, simply message them. So now we are not going to simply start serving them. We are going to, first of all, we are going to see whether this guy is going to reply yes or not. Because if we are going to start preparing for the services like funnel building or maybe the email marketing, then probably they may not even reply and our whole of the effort is going to be wasted. Okay, so now we are going to simply on the mobile phone you can simply just follow them, and thereafter you can simply message them. Okay, but on the desktop you cannot. So what you need to do, you just simply need to message them. You have two choices: either you can send them a message, or you can simply just record yourself and can send a video. Okay, and I believe that sending a video will be much better because it is going to build up trust. Okay, so what you need to do over here, you just simply need to pick up your phone and just start saying something like this. Okay, hello sir, I actually saw your account. You are having 255,000 followers, and whatever the sale amount of sales you are getting on the for your Amazon book, I can help you to increase those sales. Would you be interested in that? You can simply say something like that, and if they are going to reply, thereafter the step 4 is going to come. Okay, if yes, then we are going to serve them. Okay, so now in the step 5th, what do we need to serve them? Okay, so over here you can see they are sending them directly to an Amazon page. So what they can actually do, instead of sending them to the directly to the Amazon, they can actually send them to a landing page and can collect emails. So in the future, if their Instagram account is going to be banned, then they can still email to their whole list and they will be able to sell a ton of books. Okay, and on their Instagram page they can simply sell just one book, but on the with the help of email marketing they will be able to sell a ton of books. So what we are going to do over here, we are going to simply create him a simple landing page and we are going to send him that. Okay, so for creating the landing page I'm going to use the builder all. Okay, so now we are going to hop onto the builder all, and for creating the landing page we are going to simply click on the new website. So now I will be back in a minute after creating the landing page. You see how easy was that? It literally took me some minutes, few minutes, like 5 minutes to build this page, and this will be converting much higher for them. So now what we will do, we are going to send them this funnel. Okay, we are going to message him or we are going to email, whatever we are going to do, we are going to simply send him this funnel, and we are also going to tell him that you can actually give him a free calling schedule where you will be helping them to grow their business. Okay, it's 100% free. So now what they are going to do over here, they have only looked for the funnel. Okay, so now on the call, that is the time you are going to make a ton of money. How you are going to actually make money? First of all, you are already making money with the affiliate commissions. Okay, and the second thing you will be making money is you need to upsell them. On the call, you need to tell them something like what is costing them. Okay, they do not have a funnel, they just have a they are just sending traffic directly to the Amazon. So how they are just ruining their business, what's the issue, and how you can actually solve them, and how much money they can lose, they are losing every single day. If you can tell them, then they are going to much more likely to buy your service, and they will be using that funnel as well. So now if they are going to agree, you are going to simply send this funnel to them. So for that, you can simply just come over here and just click on the transfer, and then just enter their email, and boom, you have done. And now because you have set it their affiliate account, so you will be keep on getting the 30% commission every single month. Plus now it's the time, you have already confirmed their subscription, it's the time to make the real money. Okay, that was just a little bit money, like $10-20, something like that. But you are not going to only charge, you are not going to give them the funnel for free, you are going to charge them this money for this as well. You can actually charge like because they don't know anything about this. Okay, for them, for it is going to take a lot of time. So you can easily charge like $250 or maybe $300 just for this, but it is going to be one time. And if you can actually give something, then you can actually give this funnel for free, and you can simply start selling them, start upselling them. Okay, for example, you have created the landing page for them, but they don't know how to do the email marketing. So you can actually upsell them. You can tell them, hey, I will be charging you like $500 per month, and I will be managing all your email marketing. Okay, I will be doing that, and if you don't see the benefit in a month, I'm not going to even take the money, I'm not going to even charge you. Okay, because those things actually work. This guy is having a ton of following, they are all they are going to start getting a ton of traffic, and that traffic will be 10 times more convertible than simply this. Okay, you can simply upsell them a lot of things. For example, if they are selling products, okay, maybe this book is owned by them, so they can actually start like Shopify. You can create the Shopify store for them, or you can simply outsource them on the fiverr.com, and etc etc. But the money, the big money you are going to make is over here. Okay, you can upsell them 3-4 services, managing their Instagram account, or maybe to some other things. But this way you will be able to easily lock in the client, take the client from like $300-400 to $1,000 a day. Okay, you just need one client, and you will be able to upsell them. So that was the method one on how you can actually make money, and you can simply just keep on repeating this again and again. Just simply reach out to 10 guys every single day. Maybe you are not going to get replies from all, but if you can lock in just one client, that's an extra $1,000 a month. So there is nothing bad at all. Okay, so now what is the second method over here? The second method is simply partner with them. So for that we are going to see the second account that I found. Okay, you can see over here this guy is not even having a link in his bio. That means he don't know how to actually kind of like monetize this page. Okay, so what we are going to do over here, we are going to simply tell him, hey, if you can help me to get the traffic, I will be sharing with you the 50% of the whatever the money I'm going to earn. So what you are going to simply or do over here, there are a ton of things you can do. Actually there are 4 or 5 things. So the first thing actually you can do, you can actually start your own Shopify store by simply just adding the products from the AliExpress. You don't have to spend a ton of money because the traffic, because in the Shopify store most of the money will be spent on the traffic, and you will be able to get the traffic from this account. Having 283,000 followers, you can literally generate insane amount of traffic. Okay, so the traffic will be coming from there, and you can simply start selling on the Shopify store. And on the Shopify you can actually create an affiliate program with the help of some like apps. You can find on the Shopify for free or paid. Okay, so that way you can generate a link for them, a 50% link or something like that. So that was a number one method, the first method on how you can make money as a partner with them. So the second thing that I believe over here, a lot of people don't think that this is a method, but let me tell you, this is a really good method. So as you can see over here, we are on the clickbank.com. Generally we are going to do the affiliate marketing. Okay, we are going to get the 50% commission. So how we will be able to do this with these guys? So what we are going to do, we are going to simply tell him, hey, because I'm going to get the 50% commission on every sale from this website. So what I will do, if you are going to promote this product for me, I'm going to give 50% of whatever I'm going to earn. Now you might be thinking that it's really foolish, because he can himself start promoting the product on this website and can get a sale. Okay, but actually we all know that the cold traffic, that traffic will not be converting as good. It needs to be followed up. He needs to give a lot of bonuses, and he need to do the email marketing as well, etc, etc. He will not be able to do all these things. So what you can tell, you can simply tell him, hey, you are going to drive the traffic and I will be following the back end stuff, and whatever I'm going to earn, we are going to split it into 50-50. Okay, and that way you are also going to build your email list, and the choice is yours. If you want to give him 50% for lifetime, you can, or you can simply give him for the first product. That's all you can do. Okay, and the third method, what I believe is the best method to start making money on the Instagram without posting, is actually, if you are not good at anything, like you may be good at something like maybe email marketing, maybe growing at Instagram account or anything. So what you can actually do, you can simply create a course, record some videos, or if you don't want to do that, you can hire someone to do it for you. Okay, and what else you can actually do, you can simply also create a simple ebook and can sell with this guy, and give him like 50% or whatever you want. You can simply give him that. So that is all the easiest way. This one is the easiest way to make a ton of money, because the traffic will be converting. You can actually do the email marketing, you will be building your email list and all those things. So the profit over here is, you both are going to having a win-win situation, because this guy is not even monetizing in Instagram account. He can actually make a ton of money with almost 300,000 followers. Okay, so I believe that these are the two really easy methods to make money on Instagram without posting anything. Okay, and if you want to scale from $500 to $1,000 per day, so for the first method, I do recommend you is just to start upselling them services like email marketing, or maybe like finding the affiliate products for them, building funnels and all those things. You can easily charge $1,000 per month for that. It's really not a big deal. Okay, and the LC, what in the second method, you can, in order to partner or do this for over here, you can actually just go with like 3-4 different guys. And what I believe is, instead of going with the different affiliate products, so create your own products. Okay, so that way you will be able to instantly double your money. You will be giving like a in this case you will be getting like 25%. Okay, and in this case you will be getting like 50% even after paying. So that way you will be able to easily scale up over here as well from 500 to $1,000. And you can also do email marketing, which will give you extra money over there by upselling, cross selling, downselling, etc, etc. So I really believe that this video has helped you, and if you do believe that this is really helpful, then just click the like button, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more make money online videos like this. And now I will see you in the next